Mortaza here with Heartbeat. I'm going to show you how to add a required code of conduct to your community onboarding. This way, when new members join, they'll see a code of conduct that pops up. They will be required to hit that agree button in the bottom right corner before they can move forward and actually enter in your community. And this way, you can really nicely enforce the values, the guidelines, and the rules that you want to make sure members follow within your community, and you can set that tone at the very start. To get started, we're going to first go to the document section of our community. Now, the code of conduct, where we're going to pull that is from a document that you have built out in your community, just because that takes care of, all the formatting work and everything that's there. And you probably also want it to live in a document as well too for easy access. So in this initial resources section, this is auto-created by Heartbeat. I can see that Heartbeat actually gives me a templated code of conduct that I can use. This is a really good starting point. I'd recommend reading through, editing this, and just making sure it's a good fit for your community members. Once you have everything taken care of over here, now I'm going to go to the settings in the top right corner of my community, and I'm going to scroll down to the onboarding option over here, about halfway down on the left sidebar. From here, I can go down and scroll through the options that I have for my onboarding, and I can toggle on this code of conduct. This is going to add in that required code of conduct for members to click agree to before they can finish creating their account. Now, this is going to pull the first document in the list, which just so happens to be my code of conduct, but I can go ahead and select that. And then I can even preview this over here. So if I want to, I can just double check, make sure this is the experience I want to bring my members through. And so now I'm going to go through and preview the member onboarding. I'll upload a profile picture. I'm just going to type in test over here as well too. See an onboarding video. And then finally, when I hit this finish button, it's going to pop up with this code of conduct over here. And then I am forced to click the agree button before I can move forward. So with that, that should cover all of your questions. All you need to do over here is just hit the save changes, and that's going to go live for all the new members as they onboard. If you have any other questions as you're setting up your member onboarding, feel free to reach out to us. You can reach out to our support team at support@heartbeat.chat.